If you are here, we want to thank you for joining us. This is an opportunity to learn about health. I just share my experiences. I'm not a doctor. Um, I've just learned to take care of my body through reading a lot of books. And anyway, so today we're going to talk about 3 things to help you with your immune system. Real quickly, the first thing to do is drink lots of water, which a lot of people don't do, unfortunately. Nowadays, you see people drinking lots of sodas, lots of coffee, sports drinks, and it seems like that's what helps them get energy so that they can make it through their workday. And, nowadays we live in a very stressful, as you may know, we live in a very stressful world. And sometimes, in order for us to stay up, we need to take something or drink something to keep us up and keep us running, especially in the morning when we wake up all tired and groggy. So the immediate thing that we do is we start drinking coffee for breakfast, or we drink sodas. Kids in school, actually kids aren't in school anymore, but when they were, even at home, maybe they're drinking a lot of soda and a lot of sugar. That depletes the immune system. Coffee irritates the nervous system. And all these things are not good for the blood, not good for oxygen, and therefore the immune system is what's the word? Weakened. Thank you. So anyway, water is something that we need to do every day. I have the tendency to keep a bottle of water next to my bed. By the way, I'm live. I can't believe that I'm actually live here on YouTube. So this is a great opportunity for me to be here. If you are watching, great. If you are watching after this went live, then I hope this is a blessing to you. Water, H2O. God made this for our benefit. The whole world is full of water, and there's a reason. It's to give life to plants, animals. Human made this for our benefit. The whole world is full of water, and there's a reason. It's to give life to plants, animals, human beings, especially us. We need to cleanse our bodies from a lot of toxins and poisons. This is a benefit to our body, especially when we fill our bodies with a lot of junk food, a lot of food that's processed, a lot of animal protein that has chemicals, unfortunately. And so water is necessary to cleanse the body of all these toxins and poisons. I tend to drink maybe 2 to 3 of these 16-ounce bottles, and it doesn't matter, but I usually get the purified kind. Well, we get it as a family, and we drink lots of water, especially now that it's summertime. We need to drink lots and lots of water, especially if you're exercising. Try to drink lots of water, a lot of fruits. Watermelon's great now this time of year, summer, but mostly liquids, water, fruits. Try to stay away from sugary drinks, coffee. That's just going to get you hyper and weaken you. Another thing, number 2, to help you with your immune system is try to go plant-based diet, vegetarianism. If you can't start in the beginning, go light. Maybe you can do once a week. Include more lentils, more green leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds. You can crush your nuts into your cereal or oatmeal. Start adding oatmeal into your breakfast meal. In your salads, you can throw in sunflower seeds. We put chia seeds. What other seeds we put? We put a lot of different types of seeds. I can't think of them right now, but in the morning I usually put either almonds or walnuts in my cereal. So there's a lot of things that you can combine with. But if you go more plant-based, not only will you lower your weight, which I lost around 30 to 40 pounds, but you will also increase stamina. You'll feel less lethargic. You'll feel a lot stronger. You'll be able to endure more things. And yes, you may lose a lot of weight, but you will live longer in the long run. There was not experiment. There was a study done back in the 90s. It was the Adventist healthcare study. I can't remember the actual name. And they found out that people that ate nuts and seeds lived up to 10 years longer, but not only longer, but healthier lives, more abundant lives. So it it's a benefit to eat more nuts and seeds in your life so that you can feel better as you grow older. And the last thing I want to mention is something that I think a lot of us don't do really well, and that's get enough sleep. I know when we work a lot, we have a lot of homework, or we just like to stay up late playing video games or watching movies on Netflix or whatever you like to watch on your phone, your tablet, your whatever, laptop. We tend to debilitate, that's the word, right? Debilitate our immune system that way. So we don't get enough hours of sleep. If you can get sleep prior to midnight, the more hours, the better. 9 o'clock would be the ideal, but most people cannot do 9. You know, if you can do 10 o'clock, great. 10:30, try to get your 8 hours of sleep. That's the main thing you have to do, is get enough hours in your sleep time so that your body can get well rested, re-energized for the new day. And I'm going to give you a bonus now. This is my bonus. And the last thing I'm going to mention here before I go is the power shower. Yes, every morning when I get up, besides drinking my bottle of water, maybe half to a whole bottle, I take a hot and cold shower, contrast. So it's 3 minutes of hot, 30 seconds of cold. Then I do it again, 3 minutes of hot, 30 seconds cold. If you have more time, you can do another 3 minutes and another 30 seconds. What you're doing is you're helping your body circulate blood from your skin to your organs, strengthens your body and your immune system. You feel refreshed in the morning. This will help your defenses in the morning. Throughout your day, you'll be strong. So I hope this has been a benefit to your body, your mind, and your spirit. So all these things are going to help you, not only in your body, your mind, but your spiritual life as well. You'll be more attentive, more wise in your decisions, just quicker to what you're trying to be productive at. That's what I'm trying to say. Be more productive. So all these things can benefit you. So this is Allergies with JumpStart Health, and I hope this has been a benefit to you. If you like this video, give me a like. I don't know if I'll be making a lot of these. You can always subscribe. And anyway, this is Allergies with JumpStart Health Now. Thank you very much for watching, and may God bless you as you continue to take care of your life, your health, not only for yourself, but for your family. So live stronger, live longer, and maybe even look younger. This has been Allergies. Take care. Bye-bye.